Hello everyone, this is John from AAAFx and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this one, we're going to be showing you the Navigator Window basics. So what is the Navigator Window? Well, if we go ahead and click on View at the top here and click on Navigator, it pops up. Now I'm just going to close the Market Watch window because this is not necessary for this video. We'll just make it a bit bigger. This is your Navigator window, and just as the name suggests, this is where you can navigate basically the file structure of MetaTrader 4. So obviously you have your accounts, your different accounts, very self-explanatory, but you have things like your indicators. So you can just open it up, see all the different indicators built in to MetaTrader 4. So trend-based indicators, oscillators, volume-based indicators, etc. Very self-explanatory stuff. If you ever want to add an indicator, you can just click it. So for example, if we want to add a moving average, we just click it and drag it onto whichever chart you want to add it to. Then this window pops up. You select the type of, the period. For example, if you want it like a 50 based exponential moving average, we'll change simple to exponential. Whatever color the line should be, so we'll just make it a blue line, for example. Go ahead, click OK, and there you go. As you can see, we now have a 50 EMA, the blue line, appear on the chart. So very simple. So here you can just basically see all the different indicators and also all the different EAs, so expert advisors. Scripts are also there. Again, this is more very for the coding side of it, something you probably won't use unless you are a coder, but it's just basically where you can navigate very easily all the different indicators, drag and drop. There are other ways to add indicators onto a chart, but this is one way using the Navigator window. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.